So are you superstitious?
I try not to be superstitious, but I grew up and my mother was very superstitious.
So like what?
So she would say, you know, if a mirror broke, I would have 7 years of bad luck.
How do the oils fit in for you?
Well, I use oils all the time to like help me, you know, not just for like physical stuff, but I use the oils a lot for energetic purposes.
So give me an example.
So I would make a protective blend. Like if I broke a mirror, maybe I would start diffusing something in the house.
Like what?
I would put like laurel leaf in the diffuser. Something that felt strong, protective, and powerful. Maybe some frankincense. So Joy, are you superstitious?
I'm a little superstitious. I think I've gotten much better. I used to be superstitious, like I would buy, let's say like a totem thing. You know, I bought this little bear thing that you wear in a little pouch, and it's supposed to protect you and stuff, and you take it out, and you're supposed to talk to it every day. And so one day I took it out, and its head fell off, and I was like, I'm cursed, right, because the head fell off. So,
do you believe in curses?
I do believe in curses. I do. So I do. And so oils that I use for Angelica root is my oil.
Do you think curses are like superstitious? Superstitions?
I think curses they could be superstitions, and yes, but I also think there could be curses too. I think I was a witch in a past life, so that's why.
That's why you believe in curses?
Uh-huh.